Hi, boys and girls. I am back. This is video 2. This is going to be talking about those last 2 workbook pages for the subtraction chapter. So go ahead, and for our workbook pages today, you need to open up to page 36. So in your workbook, it will be page 36 and 37. And all you will need for this is a pencil. So go ahead and take those things out. And we're going to go ahead and work through these 2 pages. They're pretty quick. I think they will be pretty simple for you. So we'll do these 2 quickly. So all you need is your pencil. So go ahead and pick it up. And let's start with this. So I know this math program has done this before where we've done some matching, and that's what we're going to do today. So what we're going to do is match the problem to the answer. So let's look at the top one. The first problem says 3 minus 1. And so if we have 3 and we take away 1, how many are left? 2. So you're going to draw a line from here, and you're going to draw a line down to number 2. And you're just going to do the best you can. Just make a line down to number 2. Okay, so then we have 2 minus 1 equals 1. Good. Nice, easy one. Just go straight across. The next one is 4, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. What's our answer? 1. Good. And I know that for some of these, the lines are going to look a little crazy, but 1 is the answer for 2 of the problems, and that's okay. So we'll move on. 5 minus 0 for this one. Oh, it's kind of a trick one. So if you have 5 and you take away 0, then that means you still have how many? 5. Good. So you're going to go ahead and draw this line down here, all the way down. Okay, and then we have 1 minus 1. If you have 1 of something and you take away 1 of something, you have 0. So now this is going to be a big line. And draw it all the way up, 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 up. There we go. Okay, and then the last problem, 4, take away nothing, 0 is 4. And it's not a mistake. You will have an empty number right here, number 3. Number 3 was not the answer for any problem. So that is practicing that one. Let's go ahead and move on to the next page, which is page 37. And I'm just going to leave those lines over here for right now so we don't waste time trying to erase those lines. And we'll just fill in the answers here. Okay. So for these problems, what they want you to do is write the number and complete the number sentence. So you're going to write the answer on this green line right here, and I will go ahead and do it with you. So for this page, we're going to look at what they're telling us. So this little girl's number sentence reads 5 minus 4. If you know the problem quick and can do it in your head, that's great. If you need to use your fingers or draw a picture, or maybe you have some objects in front of you, if you have some cubes, some blocks, anything, cars, something that you can use, that works well too. So if you have 5 of something and you take away 4, and you can just use your fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many are left? 1. So on this line right here, you're going to go ahead and write a 1. Good. Okay, the next problem, the little boy is saying 3, take away 3. So if I have 3 of something, and then I take away 3, 1, 2, 3, how many do I have left? 0. Okay, and then the next one, the little girl is saying 4, take away 2. So if I have 4 and I'm subtracting and taking away 2, 1, 2. How many do I have left? 2. Good. And then the last problem on this page is 1 minus 0. If you have 1 of something and you take nothing away, then you still have 1. Good. And those were meant to be pretty simple and pretty easy. At this point, we've done quite a few workbook pages and activities, so that should feel like extra practice or review for you. And practicing problems like that is just the easiest way to continue to become quicker with your subtraction facts. So keep practicing. You can use objects, you can use your fingers, you can use flashcards. You can use just a paper pencil and practice writing number sentences. So continue to practice subtraction. And addition we learned before, so if you want to throw in some addition, you can do that also. So this is going to be the end of video 2, and this wraps up our chapter on subtraction. Again, the next 2 videos are going to be introducing and finishing up our last chapter that we're going to do together. So if you're done for the day, go ahead and you can put your things away. And if you're going to keep on working, then go ahead and go to the next video, which is video 3. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.